Hello, this will be a video on how to remove the amplifier module from the HiFiMAN. It's basically an instructional video. I do not have the game amplifier as of now. I'm just going to show you guys how the module is removed and pretty much how it looks and all the other things. And the tools that are required is a Phillips screwdriver, which is already supplied with the HiFiMAN. This is it. And you're going to need a slotted or flathead screwdriver. Alright. At the Genki bay door, you have two small Phillips screws, in which this screwdriver is only necessary for removing. Once the cover is removed, and then this is when the slotted screwdriver is necessary. So I'll show you that later. So first you can unscrew the screws. And the thing about this screwdriver is the shaft is magnetic, so the screws will stick to the shaft, and it's hard for you to actually lose it because the screws are actually very small. So once you finally unscrew them, the screw sticks to the end, and you could just place it down on a light surface, so it's a lot easier to see the black screws. So we're gonna unopen it here. Alright, the first screw is out. Like I said, it's magnetic. And once the screws are off, the door just slides off very easily. So the second, as you can see, the door just slides off very easily. Oh crap, I found the screw. I thought I lost the screw. Again, it magnetizes and it sticks to the shaft of the screwdriver, which is very convenient. Alright, so here's the door. And here's the actual amplifier module. It's very simple looking, not so very complex. And I'm not entirely sure how, I haven't really seen any pictures of how the game external module amplifier, which is as of now the only alternative module amplifier or amplifier module for the HiFiMAN is the game. It's specially built for in-ear monitors, and I think I've seen a picture of it, but I'm not too sure if it was it. But it had different arrangements, like the capacitors, and I'm not sure what these all were kind of arranged differently. So now this is where the slot screwdriver is as you can see right here, that's a latch, and down here is another latch. But I for some reason I've opened this before, and I only need to press down on the latch up here, and the amplifier just pops out. So just in case. But the thing I found out was, if you have a HiFiMAN and your amplifier module doesn't want to open, before it did not, like this latch was not allowing the amplifier module to come up. Only this latch was unlocking. So what I found out was this latch was kind of out, and it was kind of holding down the amplifier up on the top side of it instead of the bottom. So that pretty much held the amplifier down and prevented it from popping up. So I found out the problem, and I stuck the screwdriver in and kind of pushed the latch in so it can go downwards parallel to the amplifier instead of holding the amplifier down from the top of it. So what you do is you just simply you line the slotted screwdriver up on top of the latch, and you just push down. So I'm going to show you guys right now. And the amplifier module just pops up just like that. Once it's popped up, you simply just grab it and you just pull it out of the slot. Basically this is its pin setup, just like that, and the amplifier module is removed. Watch out for the screws there, I don't want to lose those. So this is a close-up of the amplifier module. So now I'm going to reassemble everything. Basically everything I've done, just reversed. So you line it up like this, and you simply stick it back in. You push it in, and you simply press down, and it's locked back in place, just like that. Then you get the door. Then you slide it along. Make sure the holes are properly lined up. Then you get your first screw. Oh, I got the wrong screwdriver, sorry. And then you simply fasten the screws back into their slots. Make sure you do not over screw them, because one, you can risk stripping the head of these screws and also stripping the slots. So the first screw is in. This should pretty much be basic common sense to you guys. You already know that you shouldn't over screw anything. It can damage the screws, and it's going to be a pain in the ass removing the screw if it's stripped. So there you have it. Once you have the second screw in, you're all done. The HiFiMAN doesn't require any special settings, alternations via software wise. It's just you change the amplifier and that's it. You don't have to go into the settings and all that of the software. And there you have it, your amplifier. Well, for my case, if I had the game amplifier, it's pretty much, it's in and you're done. And you just power back up your HiFiMAN and give it a listen. So this has pretty much been an instructional video on how to change the amplifier module for the HiFiMAN. So if you have any questions or comments, post them in the comment box. Please rate, comment, and subscribe if you wish. Thanks for watching. Later.